Hey, this Jade Alpine Company is doing some more on our restoration project. We get this concrete finish today. We're going to cut some joints in it and put a nice light broom finish. That way we can start working on our deck installation. This whole corner had fallen out. You can see where we replaced quite a few bricks. Got them nice retuck pointed, and we'll finish that top edge. I'll take some more videos as we go along. Thanks for watching. Little apartment restoration project. It's Jade Alpine. We'll see you guys on the next one.